Nasibog kami guys. Kaya ha. Sige, pati yung CP ko nabasa ng konti. Kasi ayan, pasilin muna kayo guys, yung mga, siyempre yung mga walang payong dyan, yan. Pasilin muna para iwasan sakit. Saglit na lang guys sa akin. Biglang nag-lag. Ano ba to? Yes. Kaya nantay-antay na nga po ng mga figures. Tensionado, nagulat din ako nung malaman na hindi lang pala ako ng hinayang. Nung nag-away tayo noon at nagtutuluyan sa iyakan at tampo at sandali lang. Huwag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay mawala ang iniisip ko. Kung pwede pa ba tayo? At miserable, paulit-ulit lang ang nangyayari. Paikot-ikot tayo parang bote. Nasanay ka na ba ron at nalikutan ang aking mga tanong at hindi malinaw. Mere bawat ang sumigaw, di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay maligaw na tatanong sa'yo. Kung pwede pa ba tayo? At sandali lang, huwag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay nawala. At sandali lang, huwag ka munang magsalita, pag ko hahayaan pati ikaw ay mawala na tatanong sa'yo. Kung pwede pa ba tayo? morning back again. It's the one that they had back then. They were too young to know when love is real. But somehow they never change. And even when even through the flame, it's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and they take it. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's thinking he's alive, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love for them. She was smiling like she smiled way back then. Feeling like she feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for it. Taking for them. Maybe this time it'll be love and fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's thinking he's alive, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nag-iisang pumalakpan. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, balik na sila kasi wala nang ulan. Wala na. Kasi talisik wala nang. All day, staring at the ceiling, making friends with shadows on the wall. And all night, I'm hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep, because tomorrow might be good. So, hold on, I'm feeling like I'm headed for it. Break it down, I don't know, hey, come on, sing. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you gotta think of me. And it's not like I used to be. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little bit. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you gotta think of me. And how I used to be me. I'm talking to myself in public, and there just dances on the track. And I know they all been talking about it. I can hear them whisper, and it makes me think there must be something wrong with me. Out of all the hours thinking, somehow I've lost my mind. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can tell. Let's take a while and maybe you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little bit. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you gotta think of me. How I used to be. I've been talking in my sleep. There's something come get me. Yeah, to take me away. little impaired and know right now you don't care. But soon enough you're gonna be talking me how I used to be. How I used to be. I'm just a little unaware how I used to be. Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta pa rin na nandyan kahit na umuulan. Ayan, thank you so much. And again, Rockology on stage. Ayan. Nice na naman ang body, guys. Ayan. Lord, I have traveled on as faith, good intention. As a letter with broken wings, the clever Viking tree. All of my hopes were dying. Her love kept me trying. She does her best to hide the pain that she has been through. When she cries at night and she doesn't think that I can hear her, she tries to hide all the fear she feels inside. So I pray this time I can be the man that she deserves. As a die the last time when she cries. She's always been there for me whenever I'm falling, but nobody else believes she'll be there by my side. I don't know how she takes it, just once I'd like to make it. Then there'll be tears of joy, the feel of love and life. When Tayo mo na ba ang Christmas tree? May pang-regalo ka na ba sinanap mong marami? Naisabi mo na mga parol sa pagkasyong ito ay di ka na magagahon. At sa pagkakataon ito kami naman ang babati. Sana'y maibigan yung mata kung maaari. Magpahinga na muna at sumala na sandali. Handa na ang aming gitara. Ako kamasin, maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Naibibigan na ba ng gamit ng bago? Kaya ginaldo ka na ba sa nilo ng pinangko? Gawa naman yung tungkol na nata. Sa Noche Buena ba'y may kasalo ng pamilya? At sa pagkataon ito kami naman ang awit. Bagong magtututunan ng mga batang pasit. Ibigin mo na ang laro at sa amin ay lumapit. Handa na ang aming tamong gitara. Ako ang bagyara. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Merry, Merry Christmas in advance. At sa pagkakataon ito kami naman ang babati. Bagong magtutugunan ang mga batang paslit. Hihigin mo na ang laro at sa amin ay lumapit. Handa na ang aming tamong gitara. Ako ang bagyada. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa inyo. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much, man. Well, once again, I'll see you again this December 13, People's Park. Catch our featured artist, DNB, Agatha, and Leon Strike Band there. Ayan, they're bringing out the beat. And the fan this Christmas season, ayan. So, syempre sa mga nalingaw dara, ayan, pag-post gamit ang hashtag Music in the Park, hashtag Pasko Fiesta 2024 sa inyong mga Facebook and Instagram, ayan. At syempre, follow the FB page, Pasko Fiesta sa Davao to get updates, different events this season. Ayan, magsagot sa nakaida. Iyang kayunkan karong Pasko Fiesta. Ayan, let's make the season stronger, brighter, happier together. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo guys. Ayan, syempre, magbabalik kami mamaya. Ayan.